Hello everyone. AI play a huge role in web designs and other internet related fields. So knowing how to use AI is a huge plus point and it will be help us to get best result within few minutes. So before ChatGPT and Google Bard, which called now Gemini, released, we use websites like Lorem Ipsum text to add content as our website that we design for the client, because a lot of times clients will not give content for us, so we have to add dummy text. But after 2022 we can use AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to generate content for our client's project. Not only that, this tool will help us to reduce our workload and get information that we don't have and don't know. As an example, recently I got website design project for aviation company. So I didn't know anything about aviation company and the things that I have to add to the website. So I simply use ChatGPT to generate the content to the website, and client was so happy about that and he only changed few things according to his version. So let's learn about tool like ChatGPT or Gemini to generate what we want. So I just go to ChatGPT and here we can enter the prompt. So just add in prompt like generate hero section content for healthcare website will not give us better output. So let's try this. Okay, here is the details, but if we add proper details and add the details that we already know, the result will be better than this. So let's try new chat and let's try to generate it with prompt. So I use free versions of those tools and free versions will be enough for do our job. So here is the simple prompt that I always use. So first we have to assign role for ChatGPT. Then we should tell what we want to generate and then we can tell give me 3 choices. So when we add this information, we have to add everything that we know and we have to add everything that we know to get better result. So let's try it. First I will say you are a web designer, then you are going to design website for healthcare clinic called JB Family Clinic, and then we have to assign the task. I want you to create hero section text with good CTA. CTA is a call to action, and did you remember that we create hero sections on Figma, auto layout and Figma lessons? So then we have to tell what should include on it, like this website focus to improve the clinic's online presence to attract new patients. Also, if there are more information, we can add them in future. I will add them. For now, this will be the prompt. So let's press enter and see the difference. Okay, see, we got 3 options and let's only focus on the first one. Here, your health, our priority. Caring for families, one visit at a time. And that's the headline, and we have a great subheading. At JB Family Clinic, we provide comprehensive care for your entire family. And then we have a book your appointment today button. So let's go to simple prompt that we already create. So it says your health our priority. That's it. Then it says providing just small subheading, and it didn't personalize this text and it didn't give better options. But in here we got better and personalized details. So always we have to assign the role, then assign the task and ask for 3 choices. So in that way we will get this type of result and we can choose the better one from here. So the point is, if you think just adding text and get result from the ChatGPT or Gemini, that will not work. You will always have to specify, and in that way you will get better and personalized results. So in future lessons we will use lot of prompts on ChatGPT, and also let's try to use Gemini too.